We're going to create a VM to put in the storage now. So if you click on the new VM on the all the way on the right hand side, what it says the plus VM, all the way, yep, there you go. Now just name ITKY. The naming convention is always going to be ITKY for us.
ITKY dash
UN desktop.
UM.
So UN desktop, Ubuntu.
Or
UB, whichever. You're the admin right now. I'm now with a keyboard. Whatever you say goes right now.
We're gonna do UB.
Okay, that's fine. Scroll down. This is the description. You want to make something. What does this do? This is like you can just say test of Ubuntu's deployment. But whatever you make the description, it goes. Basically, you don't want to have to spend too much time on that.
Just testing first.
Yeah.
Is good?
That looks good. No, you don't want to do that. You don't want to configure as an agent. That's all. Time zone, you don't want to touch it either. It's okay. That's going to be determine the OS later on. So click on the CPU. So you want how many CPU you want to give this to VM? Because remember, resources, we have a lot of resources. So you want to give it to 2 CPUs.
I don't know if that's a lot or if that's
it's not a lot.
That's not a lot.
Okay, so you want to give it a core. The first is we have to give a virtual CPU. This is the virtual processor you want to give it to. So on the top, give it 2 CPUs. Number 2, and then you want to give it 2 per core. So 2 per core.
Of course.
So then you're gonna give it 8 gigabyte of memory. When I hit, say I scroll down, you're not done yet. So remember, you have to add a disk. This is like this by default. This thing doesn't know what to do. You create it, it won't boot because there's no hard drive. There's no bootable disk. So you need to attach hard drive and bootable disk to this. And you also need to attach a network, so that way it has Ethernet. So you basically think of this messing with this real computer over here. You're basically attaching a network card right here. You're attaching a hard drive. Think of that. That's what you're doing.
All of it in
one move. So first things first, what I recommend is edit the CD-ROM. So this is like when you're ejecting the CD-ROM and you're putting your own CD that has ISO on it. Back in the days, that's what we used to do in Windows. We used to actually put ISO in their physical CD. So you want to click the drop-down menu and then clone from image server. Drop-down menu again. Hit SATA.
SATA. What's SATA?
SATA is new standard. IDE is the old standard. So click on image, click on save, and hit update.